Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to make this bell pepper turkey stew. This bell pepper turkey stew is with a little bit like twist. You will see that. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Now let's get to the ingredients. So the first thing I'm going to do here, as you can see, I've cleaned about 5 long pepper, like bell pepper with onion. I'm going to allow that to cook for 10 minutes, like to boil for 10 minutes. So after 10 minutes, this is my pepper and onion. You can use any onion of your choice. So I'm going to be blending that with garlic. Here I have my spices, thyme, rosemary, curry, and paprika. You can also use bay leaf and also add other ones you want. So I'm going to go ahead to blend my bell pepper, onion, garlic, and that little yellow green long pepper together. So after blending them, I'm going to set that aside. Look at the color of that. You don't even need to like overcook them when you're making your stews. So after blending my peppers, I'm going to add oil on my pan. Allow it to heat up. Now I'm going to saute the onion. While the onion is sauteing, I'm going to season that with thyme, rosemary, and nor cube. Okay. So this is after about 3 to 4 minutes. Now I'm going to add my tomato paste. Yes, I'm using tomato paste for this to have that rich color consistency in this stew. So I'm going to allow the tomato paste to cook for about 5 to 6 minutes before adding my pepper my blended pepper, onion, and garlic. So after adding that, I'm going to season the stew with a little bit of curry and just a dash of thyme if you want, or paprika. I actually added paprika here. So the next thing I added later off camera is fresh curry leaf. If you don't have fresh curry leaf, add a little bit of basil leaf fresh. If you have it, you will see the difference. So while this stew is cooking, I'm going to fry my turkey. The turkey is cooked with nor cube and other seasoning, which such as thyme, rosemary, and the rest. So while the stew is cooking, please do not abandon your stew over the heat. Okay, so I'm giving them a quick stir while I'm frying the turkey. So as you can see, the oil is over the stew, means that the stew is ready, like it's almost ready. And those black tiny stuff you saw in there is the curry leaf I added earlier. So now I'm introducing the turkey into the stew, and I'm going to allow that to cook for 10 minutes, like only the turkey and the tomatoes, the bell pepper, to cook for 10 minutes. So after 10 minutes, I'm adding the stock from the turkey to loosen up the stew a bit. You can choose not to add it, but just to loosen up the stew a bit. So I'm just going to put the lid back on after stirring them and allow them to stay there for about 5 to 10 minutes or less, and our stew is ready. Guys, give this stew a try. It takes like less than 30 minutes to be cooked, like to be put together, and it's so delicious. I never knew that bell pepper can be this delicious. Trust me, give it a try. I hope you enjoy watching. Please subscribe, share, and like this video. I will see you in my next one. Bye.